we will cut away, let you listen to the DDO as he calls out the final seconds. Remember, watch out for the cryogenic arms to open. That sets the ball rolling.
À tous les DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, unité, top. Allumage moteur Vulcain. Allumage UAP et top décollage. Les paramètres bons sont conformes à l'attendu.
At 18:43 local time and right on time, you saw it. Ariane 5 began her mission roaring off from the ground here in French Guiana with a lot of fire. Going up through the thin cloud layer. We had so much rain today, we didn't think we'd have any visibility at all. But look at her go. She's carrying 2 satellites, 2 new telecom satellites, the 2 boosters providing 90% of our thrust right now, propelling the launcher along her trajectory at an ever higher velocity. 775 tons at liftoff. And to get that sort of mass off the ground, you need a lot of push. And you can see, push we have. She's burning 5 tons of fuel every second. That's 2.5 tons of fuel every second in each booster. And the core stage burning another 300 kilos of fuel per second. In